Do you want to know?
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And if today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. My name's Joy, and today's video I am making clove oil. And if you like to see how I do this, keep watching. Okay, so the main ingredient here is the clove, which stimulates hair growth of hair and revive dead follicles. They also provide a better hair shaft and control unwanted hair fall from brushing and washing. And I'm going to be adding tea tree oil and almond oil. And this almond oil is terapia oil. I got it from the pharmacy. And this other almond oil, I got it from the grocery store. It is a regular oil, okay, regular almond oil. However, the oils are made in Italy, so they are in Italian language. It's basically a regular oil that you can get around you, okay? No big deal. So as you can see, I have already blended the clove. For my measurements, I use just 1 cup of clove, okay? As you can see in the video, I got the clove from the supermarket around my house. So this is what the cloves looks like after blending it. This is just a rough blend, okay? I don't want it that smooth. You just always been a tighter rush. So the next thing I'll do is to transfer it to this cup. I don't want to skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of... So after that, I'm going to go in with my almond oil. Okay, this is just a regular almond oil I got from the grocery store. And thus I'm going to add 30 spoons, okay, into the clove, into the blended cloves. So 30 spoons, okay, that's what I have. You can add more, okay, depending on what you want and how long your hair is or how much you want the oil, okay? So this is what I have. It's just a guide, remember. Patience, you need me. I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll... And you can actually use other oils, okay? Depending on what works for you. I love this oil and my hair loves it so much. So that is why I don't joke with almond oil. Yes. Okay, so the next oil to go in there is tea tree oil. So this I'm going to use 10 drops, just 10 drops, okay? Tea tree oil essential helps prevent buildup of chemicals and dead skin. This keeps your hair healthy and moisturized, which can also help it grow at its normal rate and prevent it from falling out. That's awesome. I know that you like it. So the next oil to go in there is my therapy oil, almond oil. Have you used this oil to massage your scalp? If you haven't, you need to try this. Oh my God, it feels so good. So warm. It is not only good for skin, it's also amazing for scalp massage. Yes. You like it. Okay, so after adding the oils, the next thing to do is to mix it well. Okay, let it be well mixed. Yeah, you like it. I know that you like it. You like it. You said that you were down just yesterday. Hoping you'll stick around. And cover it up well. Okay, so the next process is to heat the oil. So to do this, I'm going to use hot water. The water is not too hot, okay? It's enough for me to put my finger, as you can see, okay? So do not use hot water. I mean, too much hot water, because as you can see, it's bottled. Put the oil inside that container. Then I'll cover it, and I'm going to leave this for 7 hours. Okay, by then I know that all the ingredients may have mixed well and given me the amazing clove oil that I need. Yes, that is it for the oil, guys. So this is after 7 hours, and this is what the oil looks like. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to strain the oil, separating the residues, the chaff from the oil. Okay. So for straining, I'm going to be using my hose. Yeah, so you use what works for you. Okay, for me, it's been working amazingly. And do make sure you get all the stuffs, okay? No waste.
Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want, like it. I know that you like it. You like it, yeah, you like it. I know that you like it.
So now that I am done straining the oil, I'm going to transfer it into an applicator bottle. Voila! My clove oil is ready.
You like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you want to come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said
now that the oil is ready, I'm going to apply it to my hair. Okay, basically concentrating on the scalp. Yes.
I think you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you want to come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around with me. You said that you were down, you said that you were.
Here are some of the benefits of scalp massage. According to research, scalp massage increases the thickness by stretching the cells of the hair follicles. Thus, in turn, stimulates the follicles to produce thicker hair. It's also thought that a scalp massage may help dilate blood vessels beneath the skin, thereby encouraging hair growth. And what I am doing is just put my finger on my scalp and move it. Okay, oh my god, it feels so good. And the oil is just doing its job. Please, when you are massaging your scalp, be sure not to be rough, okay? Or to be too fast. Do it when you know you are free so that you will not cause lots of breakage, okay? The video is on speed, so be gentle. And I am just rubbing it in there, okay? Making sure I get it through all my strands. Yes, oh my god, right now my hair feels so soft. It feels good, it feels moisturized. Yeah, this oil is good. Store this oil in a cool, dry place and use it 2 or 3 times a week. Remember, consistency is the key. So guys, that will be all from me today, and I hope to see you in my next one. If you like this video, do share with your family and friends, and give the video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, be kind to do so, and bye for now.